Hello everyone, I'm with Dr. Ngo today. Today, it's very hard to get hold of him. So I would like to ask Dr. Ngo, as a director surgeon, how do you monitor the effectiveness of the weight loss program of your patients?
Okay.
I go toilet first.
Oh, go toilet first. Okay, so just now Jen was asking how do we monitor the effectiveness of a weight loss program. So in order to know that, we have to know what is weight. So what is weight? Weight, we have overall weight, we also have fat mass weight, we have muscle mass weight, we have bone mass weight. So overall weight equivalent to fat mass, muscle mass, and also bone mass. And because bone mass is about constant, so it's quite negligible. So what we need to look at is actually fat mass and also muscle mass. So in order to know that fat mass, actually there are two. One is subcutaneous fat mass, another one is visceral fat mass. But if you want to look, to make things simple, we look at the fat mass only. Okay, so for instance, if you are compliant with the dietary restriction, and if you are compliant with the exercise, regular exercise, okay, what happen will be your muscle mass will increase, but your fat mass will of course reduce. But the problem, if you look at the overall weight, I give you an example. Let's say you really do the exercise regularly, and by the next month, maybe your muscle mass increase 1 kg, but your fat mass reduce 1 kg. So overall weight means fat mass plus muscle mass, of course plus the bone mass, which is constant. Alright. So in the end, fat mass reduce, muscle mass increase. That is the one that causes the overall weight to be the same. So if for those who doesn't know, they will say, oh, I didn't lose any weight, but actually you have already lost a fat mass, which is very good, and you even increase your muscle mass. That is actually excellent. So in a nutshell, how do we monitor the effectiveness of the weight loss program? Is you must have a BIA machine. BIA is a body impedance analysis machine, in which actually if you get our ebook and if you sign up to our program, you would have the BIA machine. We'll tell you which one. Alright, so this is all about heal. So reverse surgery, reverse diabetes via heal strategy. Okay, bye.